Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing everything so the swap is clean and quick. Remove the outer cap now. This exposes the pump mechanism. Once done, use a towel under the dispenser to catch drips and keep surfaces clean. Make sure to wipe the pump base with a 1/2 alcohol wipe if it's sticky, because residue prevents a proper seal. You do this now to avoid contamination and to make the refill insertion smoother when you open the cartridge. Next, unlock the pump according to your dispenser. Press the release tab, lift or twist counterclockwise. You want to pull the empty cartridge straight up. Do not tilt, so seals and O-rings stay intact. Once the cartridge is out, inspect the seat and O-ring for dried product. Clean them with an alcohol wipe and let air dry briefly. You do this because a clean seal prevents leaks and ensures the new refill engages fully with the pump mechanism. Now align the refill nozzle with the dispenser seat and press straight down until you feel or hear a click. This ensures the internal valves engage. Once seated, reattach the outer cap and prime the pump with 1 to 2 firm pumps until product comes out consistently. If you see leakage or weak dispensing, stop and reseat the refill, then check the O-ring for damage. Replace it if cracked. That troubleshooting step fixes most issues and prevents long-term leakage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.